Namaskar dost, welcome back once again, and here again we're going to learn a new phrase, and the phrase is put on your cloth. First we should learn the Hindi word for the cloth is kapade, 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 or vastra. Kapade, vastra. By the way, we have other words also like latta. In some states of India people say latta, latte. So latte, kapade, vastra, whatever you say. But mostly we use kapade. That's most widely used. Like kapade ki dukan. Kapade की दुकान. दुकान means shop. So कपड़े की दुकान. वस्त्र की दुकान, we say generally vastralay. Vastralay means where you can buy the vastra. That's called vastralay. So kapde ki dukan, vastralay, those are called cloth shops. So kapde, kapde. So अपने कपड़े पहनिए. अपने कपड़े पहनिए, or you can say अपने वस्त्र पहनिए, right? Because kapde and vastra both means the same word. And there is one more method to say the same thing. Put on your clothes. अपने कपड़े पहन लीजिए. लीजिए, right? अपने कपड़े पहन लीजिए. पहन लीजिए. This gives the meaning like wear your clothes. Like wear your some put on your clothes. I mean, you understand that. So put on your clothes. अपने कपड़े पहन लीजिए. अपने वस्त्र पहन लीजिए, और यू कैन से अपने कपड़े पहनिए, अपने वस्त्र पहनिए. एंड दिस पहनिए, पहन लीजिए, this is in the respective level. If you are going to say this, I have written here for the older people, in a respect, wherever you need to give respect a little, or to any older people you're saying this, or almost similar age, there also you can use this. This thing you need to say in up level, like to a auntie. No, why should I say a woman? I'll say, let's say my elder brother. So भैया जी अपने कपड़े पहन लीजिए. भैया जी अपने वस्त्र पहन लीजिए. You can also say भैया अपने कपड़े पहनिए. भैया means brother, elder brother, right? And now in a friendly way, if you want to go to the similar peoples age of you, or like friendly way, your friend or younger than you, also you can say this to anyone. If you want to talk in तुम level, then that time you have to say put on your clothes as a अपने कपड़े पहनो. अपने कपड़े पहनो. पहनो, पहनो, कपड़े पहनो, वस्त्र पहनो, पहनो. Or you can say, if you have used लीजिए form, if you want to use that लीजिए form, then अपने कपड़े पहन लो. Or you can say अपने वस्त्र पहन लो. अपने कपड़े पहन लो, अपने वस्त्र पहन लो. For a while, let's suppose if I'm saying to this my girlfriend, then I will say, hey, it's over now. कपड़े पहन लो. And now if you want to talk in तुम level for younger kids, generally for the younger people than us, we have to say अपने कपड़े पहन ले. Alright, पहन ले, or you can say अपने कपड़े पहन. Hey Anil, अपने कपड़े पहन, market चलना है. अपने कपड़े पहन means put on your clothes, we have to go market. Like my mom or dad or my elder brother or sister or anybody is saying me to put on my clothes because we are going to market. Alright, so hey Anil, अपने कपड़े पहन ले, market चलना है. So in तुम level if you want to talk, then you have to say अपने कपड़े पहन ले. In friendly way, तुम level if you want to talk, then it's अपने कपड़े पहन लो. And in respective level, अपने कपड़े पहनिए or पहन लीजिए.